We get really close, and I will hand it to him. Right? Peyton Manning and I, very close. He's been there.
Football 101 is a way to invite international students to learn about the athletic traditions. Albert Bimper, who is from the athletic department and used to play for CSU, come in and he explains all the rules. It's a blast.
My path might have gone here.
For international students, this is not just about learning the game of football, but it's also about helping them to integrate with our student body, learn the CSU traditions so that they feel more connected to CSU.
It's the first step of getting an international student more involved into like the CSU community and maybe even the American community. So maybe if like they understand it, they can even get more involved and actually come to games.
Before I just came just to share with people, just enjoy people, and if they like scream, I say, oh yeah, what's happening? Oh, let's scream. So now I can get focused in the game. I see what's going on, what's happening. So it's make me like more joyful for the game. So I'm excited now.
It's the enjoyment that the students get out of it, and being part of something bigger than all of us, that's really it.